This is the journey to One Africa. Hey guys, good morning. It's a wonderful day. It's Friday, and we are leaving right now our hotel. We're going to Livingston. Okay, I don't want to call it Livingston, so let me call. We're going to Mosi-Oa-Tunya city, and we're gonna be able to see Victoria Falls in the city from tomorrow. So right now, as you can see, we're departing from this place. Oh Jesus! Yeah, got a lot of stuff. We gotta go where we belong. See you soon, Osaka. Alright guys, so we are leaving right now from the hotel. We're going to the airport, and we're gonna have a flight all the way to Livingston. Didn't have a breakfast today. We slept kind of late yesterday. But it's gonna be a great day. You guys are gonna see Livingston, you're gonna see Mosi-Oa-Tunya city and falls. It's gonna be incredible. Can't wait. Hey guys, we're here, Kenneth Kaunda Airport. The national airport is right there. We're gonna go and you guys will see it. Right here, the domestic one. That's the one that we're gonna use today. Using Zambia Airways all the way to Livingston. It's exciting. Right here. Oh, we're out here, guys. We're in Zambia, baby, and this is domestic flight. It's really nice. I mean, look at this airport, man. What a wonderful airport, beautiful airport. on our trip to Livingston, me and my brother Paul, and this is Zambia Airways. It's our very first time to ride on this flight, and I'm very excited. I think it's gonna take us 1 hour from Lusaka all the way to Livingston, and it's exciting to be in this. So shout out to Zambia Airways for the flights, tickets, and for the support and standing with us throughout the journey here in Zambia, Lusaka, and we're very excited. We can't wait to see you guys very soon. Guys, we're here at Livingston. I can't wait to see Victoria Falls and everything else. Guys, we're here at Livingston right now. Our plan is to visit Mosi-Oa-Tunya Fall. The flight took like an hour all the way to here. Very excited. Right now we're going to meet up with our car. They're outside waiting for us. And it's gonna be amazing. Follow us. You're gonna see us. This is Zambia, guys. We're in Zambia. We're in Lusaka. Not Lusaka. This is Livingston. Right here. Life goes on. Right there. I think they're holding our banner. Kudos to Zambia Airways. We just got here, we are at the reception, about to go to our rooms. Let's cheers for Zambia, for Livingston. Cheers. Oh, we gotta get it. I'm ready to get it. All the way to that.
Thank you.
Guys, we're right here, Livingston. Beautiful city, beautiful place. Oh my God. I am constantly surprised with the weather. These are real animals. Look at this. These are real animals.
Yeah.
Look at this, man.
Yeah. Man.
Just welcome, alright? I don't want to mention the name of this hotel because I don't want to advertise it. They're not paying me anything, so shout out to Zambia Airways for bringing us here. We believe that everything in the room will be available. Drinks, food. Thank you so much, Zambia Airways. You're the best. my room. This is my room, 2 days. Okay. See the balcony right here. This is crazy. Look at the wild animals. They're right here. This one. And I think we're gonna eat this tonight. It's gonna be really delicious. I ate this before in South Africa. It was mwah. It was delicious, man. Okay, let me show you guys the bathroom. These little lamps here, they look really nice. And let me see bathroom. Okay. Wow. Wow. Look at that, people. There's a bathroom here as well. A shower. I think I'm gonna take a shower right now. It's good. It's good. I hope I can mention the name of this hotel, but I'm not gonna be able to do that. Unless they try to deal with us. But all in all, man, look at this one. This is good, man. This is good. Alright, guys. I gotta go take a shower and get ready for dinner. Oh man, we got our cookies here. Ah, my goodness, look at that. I'm gonna enjoy it so good. That's amazing. Alright. Alright. I think we should try to go to swim and do this stuff. We only have 2 days, man.